Yeah, hello. I'm calling about to ask you, guy, you having Cinco de Mayo especial?
No.
Oh, okay. Porque I was wondering, I just moved here with my familia. I wanted to see if you having any special kind of event or something like this. I can come there, to celebration. You can help me by transferring me to your general manager, and please don't hang up, because I tried to call already, but the phone disconnect. Hello, is somebody trying to be a bitch with me or something? I tried to call over again, and then with my family on Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, I know, but I come there, I got a nice chicken and quesadilla. It's a restaurant.
Oh,
Thinking like maybe 40, 50. Because I have my family coming from Texas, they're coming all the way. My son, he wanted to bring a piñata. I actually have a mariachi band. I was going to bring them to come with my instrument and do like a little dancing. Maybe I can bring a margarita machine, something, for example, I want to bring my own avocados because if I come there and use your avocados, you're going to have the one inside the paqueta, with the preservatives and, no good. I want to bring a nice, ripe, very good, very nice, very fresh. The most fresh. I pick it on the tree myself. I climbing like a monkey. I pull it. You can smell the Taco Bell and the deep fryer in your hair. Very romantic. I love it. I love the black mango. It's a black boobies. Boobies, something like this, right? In the meantime, I'm gonna talk to my cousin. He's a tailor. I'm gonna have him make the dress ready for you.
okay.
You are very bootylicious. I'm gonna make it very big.